Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tumblr app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just go here above this sign, click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. You click here on account settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down here until you will find dashboard preferences. So then you go down here until you will find here show timestamps on posts in Reblogs and notes. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that means it's enabled with us now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.